somebody in here. Thought it. Wow, this is crazy. Oh, you gonna try to drive out? Are you gonna make up the suit? Yeah, I might go to town. I might drive to town. Yeah.
Have you lost any work over this?
No, I'm not working right now. I'm done. I'm just looking for a job. Janitorial.
Whereabouts?
Oh, anywhere.
Anywhere, eh?
Yeah. Hoping a stroll or
You
something.
know what you should do is go see Kathy's.
Kathy?
You're sure a cook, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Kathy's. That's where I'm going for coffee this morning.
Oh, nice.
And she's looking for somebody else.
Oh, nice. Where's that?
That's when you go into Sooke.
Yeah.
Not the first gas station. The second one. That's the second or third.
Petro.
One. Petro. Right across
Yeah.
the street. Right in the corner of that
Yeah.
little. There's a marijuana shop and there's a.
Mexican restaurant.
No, it's not Mexican. No. It's just a little restaurant in there.
Yeah.
It's right there, but it's. I know if you're good, she'll get you.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I worked in restaurants most of my life.
Yeah, good.
Okay. So it's up there, warehouse, or what's the name of it?
It's called Kathy's, but her name isn't on it yet.
Okay,
She
Kathy's.
just opened up again.
Oh, nice. Oh, I think I know where it is.
Yeah.
Behind the laundromat beside there.
This side of the laundromat.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I know where it is. I'll find it. Thanks. Where's the little dog inside?
Oh,
It's too cold. Yeah, you too. Thanks.